Hello guys, so I went on a trip with OSK Travel and Tour to Shai-Hills. The trip was fun, very entertaining, adventurous. We had a tour guide taking us through everything. After the payment was made, we went back to the bars to head to the park. Never walk to the park when you go there. Take a car because the place is very far. The park is where you see the baboons, the antelope, the zebras, and co. Guys, enjoy this vlog.
Give me a run for money. There was nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. So they love me for the love me. Baby, love me. Just love me. I wanna be with you. 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 Just love me. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up, we gon' function. No assumption. Feeling like ice on. Without ice on. Only for the night now. Love me. Just love me. I wanna be with you. 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 Just love me. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still?